Bury this root and watch plants explode with growth. No fertilizer needed. The secret power beneath the soil. Every gardener dreams of that moment, stepping out in the morning, coffee in hand, to find their plants just bursting with life overnight. The leaves are greener, the stems stronger, and honestly, the growth just seems unstoppable. What if I told you that the secret to tripling your plant growth isn't in some fancy fertilizer or store-bought booster, but in a root you can bury right beneath your plants? Welcome back to Soilsage Chronicles, where we explore nature's hidden gardening wisdom, secrets that the soil itself wants us to know. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most underrated soil enhancers that can transform your garden's vitality from average to absolutely thriving. If you've never heard of comfrey, also known as Symphytum officinale, you're about to meet your garden's new best friend. This ancient herb has been used for centuries as a natural healer, not just for people, but for plants and soil too. Its roots dig deep, pulling up valuable nutrients from the subsoil layers that most other plants just can't reach. But here's where the magic happens. When you bury comfrey roots under or near your plants, those nutrients slowly release into the soil as the root decomposes. That means your plants get a steady, natural feed, rich in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and a whole suite of micronutrients that power massive growth. This simple act, burying comfrey roots, mimics nature's own recycling system. So, the result? Well, you get stronger roots, faster leaf development, bigger blooms, and honestly, higher yields. It's pretty impressive what nature can do. Why does comfrey work like nature's fertilizer factory? Comfrey isn't called the compost plant for nothing. Its deep root system, which can reach up to 10 feet, acts just like a nutrient pump. It pulls minerals from deep down in the soil and stores them in its leaves and tissues. Then, when the plant dies back, or when we bury its roots and leaves, all those stored minerals make their way back to the upper soil layers, exactly where your garden plants can use them. The magic here really lies in how those nutrients are released. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that flood your plants with fast, unstable nutrients, which can often burn roots or just wash away in the rain, comfrey decomposes slowly. It ends up providing a long-term balanced nutrient feed, helping your plants develop sturdy cell walls, better disease resistance, and, vibrant growth. You're not just feeding your plants, you're feeding your soil. How to use comfrey roots in your garden. Let's get practical. Burying comfrey roots doesn't require fancy tools or equipment, just a shovel, some water, and a bit of patience. So, here's how you can do it right. First, you want to choose your comfrey source wisely. If you already have a comfrey patch, well, you're golden. If not, try looking for Bocking 14. It's a non-invasive sterile comfrey variety that's just perfect for gardeners. It's nutrient-rich, easy to manage, and honestly, it won't take over your space. Next up, dig your planting hole. Before you plant your seedlings or transplants, go ahead and dig a hole that's about 6 to 8 inches deep. This gives you enough space to position the comfrey root without interfering with your new plant's root system. Now, bury the comfrey root. Place a chunk of comfrey root, somewhere around 4 to 6 inches long, right at the base of the hole. You can also mix in some shredded comfrey leaves or even comfrey compost for an extra boost if you'd like. So, now it's time to backfill and plant. Just cover the buried root with a few inches of soil, and then, plant your main crop on top just like you normally would. Make sure to water thoroughly to help everything settle in nicely. Over the growing season, as the comfrey root breaks down, it releases nutrients right where they're needed most, directly into your plant's root zone. You might be wondering, can one buried root really make that much difference? The answer is a resounding yes. Gardeners who've tried this technique report results that sound almost unbelievable, until you see it yourself. Tomatoes double their fruiting speed, peppers grow stronger stems and produce earlier, squash corn, and even leafy greens show thicker foliage and richer color. Root crops like carrots and beets develop more uniform shapes and deeper pigmentation. And here's the best part. You're improving your soil every single season. Even after the comfrey has broken down, your soil structure remains richer, more porous, and teeming with beneficial microbes and earthworms. It's the kind of change that builds year after year, transforming your garden from a plot of dirt into a living, breathing ecosystem. Bonus tip: Fambamaisengal, Pomakaman Purs, Onanapte, Mar Buonestea. Comfrey as a living fertilizer source. Once you see how powerful comfrey roots can be, you'll want to grow your own supply. Planting a small patch of comfrey in a corner of your garden means you'll never run out of this green gold. You can cut comfrey leaves 2 to 4 times a season and use them in a few different ways. For example, as mulch, just layer the leaves around your plants to help suppress weeds and feed the soil. Or you can use comfrey as a compost activator, since its nitrogen-rich content really speeds up compost breakdown. And don't forget, you can make a liquid fertilizer by soaking chopped leaves in water for a few weeks to create what gardeners call comfrey tea. It's a pretty potent natural plant feed. By turning just one comfrey root into a permanent garden ally, you actually create a self-sustaining cycle of fertility. It's, well, kind of like nature's version of a renewable energy source for your soil. Now, even though the process is simple, there are a few common mistakes to avoid, because a couple of missteps can really limit your results. Alright, let's talk about some common mistakes you definitely want to avoid. First up, using fresh comfrey in direct contact with delicate roots. It's important to let those roots rest in the soil for a few days before planting any delicate seedlings directly on top. Next, overwatering. Remember, comfrey releases nutrients best in soil that's moist, but not waterlogged. And finally, don't ignore crop rotation. If you keep burying comfrey under the same crops season after season, mix things up a bit to prevent soil fatigue. And here's something to keep in mind. Balance is key. Too much of even a good thing can backfire, so be mindful of how you use your comfrey. Now, let's dive into why this method works better than store-bought fertilizers. Here's a truth most garden centers won't tell you. Most fertilizers feed plants but ignore the soil. Comfrey does both. When you bury that root, you're building long-term fertility, not just a temporary green up. It's a sustainable approach that benefits your garden in the long run. Synthetic fertilizers can cause salt buildup and microbial die-off, but natural soil amendments like comfrey roots, they actually work with the soil's biology, not against it. Microbes thrive on the decomposing root, breaking it down into forms your plants can easily absorb. You'll notice fewer pests, fewer nutrient deficiencies, and stronger resilience against drought or disease. It's the kind of change you can see and feel in your soil's texture and scent. I still remember the first time I tried burying comfrey under my tomato plants. I didn't expect much, just a little boost maybe, but within 3 weeks I could see the difference. The stems were thicker, the leaves were richer green, and the fruit set earlier than ever before. That single season changed how I viewed soil forever. Since then, I've used this method in nearly every bed in my garden. The soil feels more alive, the worms are back, and the growth, well, let's just say I've stopped buying chemical fertilizers altogether. So, the next time you're planting, just tuck a comfrey root beneath your seedlings. Watch closely over the next few weeks. You'll see stronger, happier plants, faster growth, and soil that just keeps improving. Nature rewards those who work with her, not against her. This simple ancient trick proves it. Before you go, if this tip sparks your curiosity, there's a whole world of soil secrets waiting to be uncovered. On Soilsage Chronicles, we dive deep into the natural methods that make gardens thrive. No chemicals, no hype, just pure, living soil science. Subscribe to Soilsage Chronicles on YouTube for more regenerative gardening wisdom. Share this article with a fellow gardener who's ready to grow smarter, not harder. Together, let's rebuild the earth, one root at a time.